Now hold the bar of soap in one hand and the sponge in another. Which is heavier, the sponge or the soap? Move your hands up and down to feel the difference. Your hands stop the sponge and the soap from falling to the ground, but you can still feel gravity pull on the soap and sponge when you hold them in your hands. The pull is called weight. You can see if one object is heavier than another without letting either of them fall. Here's how. Get 2 rubber bands the same size. Tie one of your shoes to the rubber band. Tie one of your parents' shoes to the rubber band. Lift both shoes by the rubber band. Which rubber band stretches more? The heavier shoe stretches the rubber band more. Each rubber band acts like a scale to measure weight. Your weight is a measure of how hard you fall when you fall down. How much do you weigh? How much does your mother or father weigh? The more you weigh, the harder you fall. But you don't have to fall in order to weigh yourself. A scale tells you how hard you fall without you falling at all. So simply get on the scale. And that's it. So now we are going to think about what was the purpose of the author's story. What was he talking to us about? Let's look at our clues. So gravity is a force that pulls things down. So he's talking about gravity. And that gravity pulls everything on the moon at the same speed because there is no air on the moon. So the purpose of this story is to explain what? What does he explain to us in the story? Gravity. Good. So he is explaining gravity. And that's it. All right, make sure you get all that on your paper and then get it turned in.